Now there's a shorter way to find the equivalent fraction with the same denominator. This is called math sieve. For example, we have two fractions, 5 over 12 plus 1/8. So first we write 12 and 8, the denominators, and then we put a line. We find a number that is divisible to both, so they're both divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then we find numbers, if it's still available, that are divisible to both, still divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we multiply all the numbers outside the line. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. So now we know that 24 should be the denominator for both of these fractions. So let's say this is 5/12. We want the denominator to become 24. So we need to find the factor to multiply to both numbers to have the denominator of 24. So to get that, we divide 24 by 12, which is 2. So 2 is your factor. We have to multiply it by 5 to get the numerator. For 1/8, we need to make the denominator 24 as well. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. So 3 is your factor to multiply it to 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now we can replace these numbers, these fractions, with the equivalent fractions that will have the same denominator. So 5 over 12 now becomes 10 over 24. And 1/8 now becomes 3 over 24. And then we can now add, so 10 over 24 plus 3 over 24 is 13 over 24. So it is the same with subtraction. For example, if it is 5 over 12 minus 1 over 8, and from this system, we can see that it is 24. So we can replace this by this one. So 10 over 24 minus 3 over 24 is 7 over 24. Now, there's still a shorter way to write everything up. So, for example, this is your fraction. You know that 24 is your denominator. We can write it under one fraction. For example, we just write it here, 24. And then 24, we divide it by 12. We get the factor 2. Multiplied by 5 is 10. And then 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 1 is 3. So it is addition. We add 13 over 24. Same as in subtraction, we can have 5 over 12 minus 1 over 8. We just write one denominator, 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2 times 5 is 10. 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 1 is 3. So since this is subtraction, so 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 24.